We're going to be working in accounting. Hit accounting, and we're going to come down here to chart of accounts. And here is a list of the accounts that we added into this demo with fixed assets, equity, income, expenses, cost of goods. I think we're going to add a new, come up here to hit add new. We're going to pick an expense, and we're going to change this to and we're going to add insurance, medical, and dental. And it's going to be a subcategory of insurances. Create and close. And we can come down here and we see that what we just added is under insurance, medical, and dental. This is for our chart of accounts, and we can go into it and see the register on what we end up paying out, what was received, what we have put in for like inventory. Each one shows what we've actually done to the account. We are going to go into show reconcile. We would do the drop down box and pick the account that you are going to be using. Most of us use the checking account or your bank name. You would put the date, beginning balance, the ending balance, and then we would start reconciling. As you can see, I don't have anything in there yet, so we cannot do a reconciliation. Journal entries. The dates that you're going to be making it up. You would put a reference number, an invoice number, or whatever, maybe a little note that you want to put to yourself. You would pick the account that you're going to be using it for. Say we're going to be using vehicles, and we're going to do the amount, and we're going to add one because now we're going to take it out of the checking account, and we have to balance out our system. As you can see, it balances here. You would click Save and Exit, or Save and New if you had another journal entry to do. For transferring funds, hit Transfer Funds, and you would pick the account that you're taking it out of and to the account that you are going to be sending it to. And then you would pick the amount of how much you want to transfer. And you would click Save and Exit. Bank deposits, you can do the account category. It would show balance if you had a current balance, the date of the deposit, if it's a walk-in or if it's somebody else, the date, memo, the cash, you drop down if it's a check or a credit card or a COD, you can add it there. And then you can put the reference number. If they're paying for an invoice, you would put the invoice number here. And then you would come down and Save and Exit. Credit card and cash.